Cardel's Montage is a home that truly says welcome home. Starting with its stylish double front entry doors, a bright, spacious foyer with enough room for an oversized bench is located next to a unique walk-in closet with tons of room for coats, boots, backpacks, and more. Extra wide and deep stairs, a distinct Cardel design difference, draw attention to a dramatic staircase that is open both to the second floor and finished lower-level stairs. Solid oak railings and plush 40-ounce carpet shown are standard in every Cardel home. An open kitchen is the heart of the main floor with this particular model, showcasing Cardel's standard kitchen finishes, including a subway tile backsplash and pot lights. A spacious walk-in pantry is a very popular option for those who like to stock up and have a place to tuck small appliances. The bright nook off the kitchen brings in plenty of natural light thanks to 8-foot-wide patio doors. Even more natural light flows in from the large windows in the family room, which also features a fireplace with standard oak mantel, perfect for warming things up on those chilly days and evenings. A large master bedroom at the rear of the home features his and hers closets, and a sunny ensuite with Cardel's standard 10mm glass shower, giving this private retreat a spa-like feel. 2 additional bedrooms at the front of the Montage welcome in the sun through large windows and feature closets with swing doors. For families with busy morning routines, the Jack and Jill main bath is a popular option. A handy second-floor laundry room is both convenient and conveniently tucked away from all the bedrooms. It also offers more than enough room for a laundry hamper shelving and drying rack. A sizable, family-friendly bonus room is an ideal spot for binge watching, a kid's playroom, games room, or even a spacious home office. Much of what makes a Cardel home efficient to own can be found in the ready-to-finish basement of this Montage model. A 2-stage high-efficiency furnace optimizes natural gas usage, while a wall-mounted, tankless, on-demand hot water heater helps lower energy bills while supplying endless hot water. A radon-ready rough-in provides peace of mind for future plumbing add-ons. This is also a bright basement with oversized slider windows. Cardel's Montage single-family home is available in this popular Ottawa area community.